A stock is basically a share in the ownership of a company. If you buy stocks, you buy a share in the ownership of that particular company. Traders usually buy stocks in order to increase their wealth. As the value of a company increases, so does the value of its stocks. Investors can earn profits through this. But you might think, what are some of the biggest trading apps? Well, we are here to answer. In today's video, we will be showing you top 10 best trading apps in 2022 and their pros and cons. Without further ado, let's begin. Robinhood. Robinhood became the first commission-free stock trading app by slashing traditional commissions to $0. Others in the industry have no choice but to follow if they want to remain relevant to retail investors. Likewise, many new stock trading mobile app options like Robinhood have cropped up in recent years, many of which feature on this list. The service offers commission-free stock trading, as well as the ability to take ETF trades and participate in options trading and penny stock investing, all commission-free. Robinhood doesn't support mutual funds on its mobile app or desktop trading platforms. Robinhood's stock trading app offers a simple and easy-to-use design, covering stock trading basics. Many have found this useful for placing their trades by not overcomplicating it. Pros: commission-free trading on ETFs, options, and crypto. Intuitive interface, desktop and mobile access. Cons: limited investment offerings, minimal technical analysis tools, no robo-advisor functionality. Webull. Webull came into the stock trading world in 2018 when it started challenging Robinhood for market share. This stock trading app offers commission-free stock trading as well as commission-free trades on ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Like most investment apps available, the company provides access to trade on your smartphone, tablet, or desktop. As touched on above, it charges no commission fees for the trades because Webull makes money on other actions you take, like payment for order flow, PFOF, margin loans, interest on cash, and service fees for their NASDAQ Total View Level 2 Advances Quote subscription. Webull also provides you access to several powerful tools you can use for in-depth trading analysis. Pros: no stock trading commissions, powerful technique analysis tools, accessible to beginning and intermediate users. Cons: no robo-advisor functionality. Betterment. You can use the Betterment robo-advisor platform to buy financial shares of ETF index funds like the S&P 500 in taxable accounts as well as individual retirement plans. Their service does not allow you to invest in individual stocks, but will automatically place deposits into fractional bits of index fund ETFs aligned with your portfolio objectives. The features of this platform make it one of the best investment apps for beginners, specifically being most suited to investors looking to diversify instantly as they make contributions to their accounts. Pros: hands-off investment management, diversified portfolio that automatically rebalances, low-cost investment selection. Cons: AUM fee, little control over investment selections. Public.com. Public.com is a commission-free investment app for beginners that allows stock and ETF trades. The stock market app targets millennials and Gen Zers who have attuned their senses to social media and have interest investing in the stock market. While the company previously followed the lead of apps like Robinhood with monetizing payment of order flow, PFOF, or received kickbacks from clearinghouses for routing traders to them, they've recently abandoned this practice. Instead, they now rely on other revenue streams as well as a tipping system. Pros: no trading commissions, no payment for order flow, PFOF, fractional shares. Cons: limited investment options, no investment research tool. SoFi Invest. SoFi Invest is a stock market app that allows you to place stock and EFT trades alongside investing in cryptocurrency. The well-known brand in the personal finance space recently entered into the investing world by offering free trades on stocks, ETFs, cryptos, and more. SoFi doesn't offer options trading nor mutual funds. The service provides you the ability to trade actively or stand back and let its automated investing tool take over as a robo-advisor. Pros: commission-free trading, no account minimums, DIY and automated investment options. Cons: no socially responsible robo-advisor functionality, no tax loss harvesting. Acorns. Acorns is an investing app for minors and young adults who wish to start with a small amount of money in their investments. With more time, these recurring contributions and rounded-up deposits from your purchases will grow into a larger portfolio. Hence the company's name, Acorns. Start small like an acorn, but grow strong into a mighty oak tree. Because portfolios start with small balances most often through Acorns, the service has no account minimum. Pros: robo-advisor with affordable fees on larger portfolios. Fixed free model. Roundups. Cons: high fixed fees for small balances. No self-directed investing options. M1 Finance. M1 Finance offers commission-free stocks and ETF trades, but also provides automated stock trading according to your predetermined investment decisions as this site's top robo-advisor pick. What we like most about this app is the ability to make recurring deposits that automatically get invested into your portfolio. M1 Finance acts as a singular personal finance app to assist with building wealth through automating your investments into diversified portfolios, making a bank account, and linked debit cards that provide market-beating interest rates and have access to valued personal finance literature. Pros: robo-advisor with self-directed investing capabilities, no trading commissions, offers generous cash back on owner's reward cards. Cons: limited trading window, high cost for M1 Plus service tier. Stash. Stash is a mobile-friendly personal finance app that comes paired with investing options and a checking account. Stash acts as a low-cost, all-in-one financial platform and gets included in this list as a result. While the app primarily caters to hands-off investors looking to automate their investing, you can also actively select stocks to trade. You can do all of this as you spend money and make recurring deposits into your account. Stash offers custodial accounts for real beginners, young investors, or those under the age of 18. Pros: robo-advisor with self-directed investment capability. Fractional shares. Offers value-based investment options. Cons: smart portfolios don't offer tax loss harvesting. Charges monthly fee. TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade can be called the best stock app because of the analysis reports it provides to its users. And the portfolio management by experts can be very helpful for beginners. No commission on online stock, ETF, and options trades. Manages your portfolio based on your goals, retirement planning. Get real-time quotes, charts, and analysis reports to build your portfolio. Pros: commission-free trading, educational resources, market analysis reports. Cons: the cost of broker-assisted stock trading is a bit high. E-Trade. E-Trade is one of the best stock trading apps, which can be an appropriate choice for a beginner as well as a frequent investor. Because it has an automated investing feature, gives market insight, and lets you choose from a list of pre-built portfolios. Automated investing lets you trade in stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, options, and more. Choose from pre-built portfolios. Tools to educate and guide you before investing. Pros: no commission on trade, no minimum balance is required, plenty of options to invest in. Market analysis reports. Cons: no trading cryptocurrencies. $500 minimum investment requirement for broker-assisted investing. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.